Back in, I think, about 1912, the most popular type of vehicle was the electric vehicle. It was leading the gas engine. This is 100 years later, and like now we're just getting back to a point where the EV market may actually really start to take off again. 100 years of gas engine vehicles, 360. Here we are again, like we're back to the future. The Joint Training Committee has been the training arm for our partners, the IBEW Local 213 and the ECABC, for over 50 years. We have managed, coordinated, directed all the training aspects of our system. We will normally, in like a given year, intake in the range of 200 to 250 brand new apprentices to our system. Intake of brand new apprentices in our trade is market driven, and you just have to listen to the media right now to know that there's a skills shortage pending, looming because of the baby boomers. We, the Joint Training Committee, we are very good at meeting the market demands. Picture the future where our children and our children's children want to have transportation. They won't want to have a gas-driven vehicle. They would want to have something which is clean, quiet, efficient. We are on the cusp of change in the transportation industry in our nation. There is a true opportunity for us as an industry to actually meet this new demand to put in more and more charging stations around the province of BC and really across Canada. The future will be market driven, but the more vehicles that are on the road, the more they have to have access to charging stations. I have been in this trade for 43 years, and I've been there and I've done it all. At least I think I've done it all, but I'm constantly learning. We want to be prepared to actually meet this demand, and as part of this, we are structuring more and more training and certification opportunities, one of them being the EJTC Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Training Program and Certification. There will be a lot of work coming the way of our industry, and we have to show the governments and our customers from coast to coast that we are on the leading edge of where this change is going to happen, that we are ready and willing and able to actually meet the demand, and we will build it to the highest possible standards. But it is a lot of work, and it's important to our industry that any of this work is all done by qualified tradespeople working for licensed contractors under a permit. Make sure that that's on the tip of the tongue of the governments when they start issuing grants and tax credits and incentives across this country. This is a work for our industry, and as I say, must be done to standards.